Hello CTE teachers. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer content from the certification prep course to your rostered course on Canvas. You don't want to transfer absolutely everything because, as you can see by the teacher tips and reminders in the homepage here, some of it is for teacher eyes only. To determine what you want to transfer over, you're going to click on Modules and preview some of the content that has been made for your students. Having previewed this content before, I know I want to transfer Module 1 and Module 3 to my rostered course. So what I'm going to do is go into my rostered course. I'm going to scroll down in the course navigation and click on Settings all the way at the bottom. Then I'm going to click Import Course Content, and under Select One, I'll click Copy a Canvas course. I'm going to search for my course by scrolling all the way down, and I'm going to look for basically the default terms, which are not rostered courses, so they're not bound by any specific time period, such as 2020 to 2021. And I'm going to look for the course that I want to transfer content from. So in this case, I'm going to select from the Photoshop Certification Prep course, but this applies to any of the other certification prep courses. Then, this is really important, you have to click where it says Select Specific Content, because if you click All Content, then every single thing in the certification prep course will transfer to your rostered course and overwrite whatever you've already done into your rostered course. So if you have a beautiful homepage in your rostered course, for example, that homepage would be overwritten by whatever is on the certification prep course. So very important, select specific content and click Import. I'm going to click the blue Select Content button again, and I'm going to expand the modules and select the modules that I want to transfer to my rostered course. So I already identified Module 1 and Module 3 as the modules that I wanted to transfer over first, and click Select Content. Then you're going to wait for Canvas to process this information for you. Now that it says completed, I'm going to preview this information. I'm going to my home page because I didn't set up a home page before, so I know my modules will be automatically populated here. But if you did set up a home page, then you would click on Modules in your course navigation. And I can see that all of the modules that I imported transferred over beautifully. None of these have any due dates, so you will need to go and add due dates to each of these assignments based on when you want your students to complete them. You can add a due date by clicking on any one given assignment, clicking Edit Assignment Settings, scrolling down the settings, selecting a due date. So I'm going to select, for example, Halloween, so October 31st. And then if you want the assignment to populate into the Students Pinnacle, you can just click this little checkbox right here, and it's going to sync to the Students Pinnacle once you click on Save and the student completes it. I hope that's been helpful to you. Hit me up in the comments below if you have any questions for how you can transfer content from your certification prep course to your rostered course on Canvas.